Welcome, friends, to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah, and I have special guest Araya here. She is going to be sharing how we are going to make the Hibiscus Dream Sipper today. And I'm so excited to share with you the benefits of hibiscus, just a few of them, as well as why we would even want to make this sipper at all. Why should we make a sipper? And we're still in the midst of the holidays, and so actually this is the perfect time to make a sipper, because in between the holidays, we've been extra indulgent in December. This is a great time to lighten things up, especially in between the holidays, lightening things up. Lightning. Yep. Lightening things up. And, hydration is really, really important. And so making sure that you're getting in some good sippers or ending your day well, instead of always turning to that heavy S, being able to say, hey, you know what? I've been super indulgent during the holidays. I know I have. Anybody else, raise your hand. And if you've been super indulgent, a great way to lighten things up is to, especially during the week, kind of hone it in and say, all right, Monday through Friday, instead of having that indulgent treat, I'm going to have a sipper instead. And especially if it starts getting late in the evening, it's a better idea to end your day with some hydration and having a sipper that tastes like dessert than to have a big indulgent dessert. All right, so do you want to start getting out the stuff? Are you going to show them right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'll talk out when you're done. I'm going to talk about the benefits, okay? All right, so Araya is going to show you guys. I want to pull you guys up on my laptop. So if you're here with us live, go ahead and say hi. Tell us if you've had hibiscus and if you've had hibiscus tea or not. Yes or no? Okay, go ahead. Take it away.
Okay, so first you're going to take a big mug and fill it up with water. And then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Make sure you talk really, really loud so they can hear you.
And then you're going to put your hibiscus flowers.
Show them what they look like so they can see them.
Okay.
Where can they get those?
I don't know.
I love that she doesn't know. That's hilarious. You guys can get them on Amazon, and I will put them in my Amazon store so you know which ones to get.
Okay, and then you're going to let this steep for 5 minutes. And then once that's done, you can either pour it over a cup with a strainer to catch all the leaves, or you can use something like this. Don't know what this is.
What are those called, you guys? Tea thing.
Tea strainer.
Tea thing. Okay, now I can see your awesome comments. Good morning, friends. So, Laura's new to hibiscus.
You're going to fill up a mason jar half full of ice. And then you're going to just pour the tea over it.
Are you going to do it in the sink? Okay, good idea. My laptop's right here. I could see that going very badly. So, just a few of the benefits of hibiscus is it's high in antioxidants, it's an anti-inflammatory, and it also helps with weight loss. That's just 3 key components that we would love to have, right? If you are pregnant, it is advised not to drink hibiscus. So just throwing that out there in case anybody's watching this that's pregnant. And then also, it lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, and it fights bacteria and helps support the liver. So these are some great reasons to drink some hibiscus. And look how pretty it is. It's so pretty.
Then you should top it off with water.
So if you guys notice, it's about, did you tell them how much? It's about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the actual hibiscus flower.
Well,
The more you use, the stronger the color will be, the more vibrant. We did it with a teaspoon and it didn't have the same flavor. It wasn't as vibrant as this color. So if you want a super rich, vibrant hibiscus tea, then use more of the flowers. And plus this is huge, you guys. This is a pound. Makes a lot. It makes a lot of tea.
Yeah, what I do is I just like cover the top of the water.
She's been making this too, like every single night she'll make one for both of us because I taught her how. So teach your kids, you guys. This blesses me so much. I'll be like, hey, she's like, if you're making hibiscus, I want one. And then vice versa. I'm like, if you're making hibiscus, I want one.
And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of super sweet blend, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a couple drops of apricot extract. Then just
a couple what of
drops.
Okay, yes. It's about like 1/8 of a teaspoon. The apricot extract, you guys, is one of them you should invest in for your sippers. It's so good.
Okay, then you just mix it. And that's it.
Did you have the lemon juice already?
Yeah.
Oh man, I missed it all. I'm standing right here too, you guys. That's it. It's so easy, so easy. I hope you guys try this. If you want to drink it warm, you can totally just do the exact same thing. I would add just a little bit less of each of the super sweet. If it's not as diluted, I'd probably do like a teaspoon of super sweet and a teaspoon of lemon and just take a sip, a couple drops of the apricot. You can have this warm or you can have this cold. And I love drinks like that because, you know, it's in winter and so you might want to drink some warm. But it's also awesome because, oh, that's loud. You can add a bunch of water and be drinking this and sipping on this and having this before bed to help you kind of satiate that. I want something sweet. So it's a great way to incorporate that. Okay, you guys, I wanted to let you know that I'm super excited because little habits like this, drinking 1 sipper a day, just something that simple can change your outlook on your health for the long term. Taking one small habit, whether it's this, or just drinking more water in general. And so inside of Generation Movers, starting January 1st, we're gonna be doing a 100 days strong challenge. And at the end, the more you participate in the challenge, the more chances you have to win. And you could win $100 to Trim Healthy Mama gift certificate. And so I wanna encourage you guys, I would love to see you come participate in the challenge inside of Generation Movers. And it doesn't have to necessarily be doing a sipper. It could be anything that you wanna do. I never set the parameters, but it's something you personally know you need to work on. It could be stop hitting the snooze button for 100 days. It could be I'm gonna get up and get on the treadmill for 10 minutes a day. It could be as simple as I'm gonna get my workout clothes on first thing in the morning because that's gonna traject me into probably working out. I'm more likely to exercise if I put my workout clothes on for 100 days in a row. So something super, super small that you're willing to commit to doing. Maybe it's an e-meal every day for breakfast for 100 days in a row. Whatever that small thing is, I want to invite you to come do it in a challenge inside of Generation Movers. We're going to be spurring each other on for 100 days to commit to doing something small that's going to have big impact. You drink a sipper every single day, it's going to help you in your overall health journey. Guaranteed. I guarantee it. So I would love to see you guys in there. You can use code YEAREND to get in for $23 for your first month, and then it's $37 thereafter. You can cancel anytime. It's awesome. I have tons of resources in there for you guys. Free workshops. There's all my summit trainings. The summit training from last year on goal setting. You need help with goal setting for this coming year. That is an awesome, powerful lesson, and I would love for you guys to just come access that. I have Instant Pot workshops in there. I have videos, edited videos that are super short, 10 minutes or less, that you can come check out for cooking. All kinds of things. We have Member Connect. It is amazing. Come check it out. And if you have questions, hit me up with a DM. I'll put it in the description if you guys would like to join Generation Movers. Okay, let's see. Do you guys have any questions in regards to hibiscus? We got lots of love hibiscus. Hey, Teresa. Oh, Cece's on here. Hey, Cece. Hi, Christy. Christy's had the hibiscus. And Kim, I hope you're going to use the flowers now. She says she has them but hasn't made anything. I hope you try something.
Should we show them the difference in the colors?
Oh, Lori just made a pot of hibiscus and is sipping on it. Oh, thank you for the link, Lori. I like the link. She posted a link for the medical uses of drinking hibiscus, so be sure to check that out in the comments there. Okay. Cece, you can come over and have some. I don't know if you tried it at our house. Okay, let's see. Oh, good, Cindy. I can't wait for you to sign up. I'm excited to have you join us.
Mom, should I show them
All
the
right,
color
guys.
difference?
Oh, yeah. Is that one with less? Yeah.
So this one is with less of the hibiscus flower, so it's lighter. And then this one is darker.
Yep. That's good. It's so good, you guys. I can't wait. So be sure to say hashtag Araya Hope Health. If you're watching the replay, do hashtag replay. But send me, tag me and everything on socials. Tag me in your stories. I want to see your drinks. And let me know what you guys think. All right. Hope you guys have a very, very happy New Year. I don't know what your plans are for this weekend. I hope you're going to stay on plan and enjoy some of the delicious holiday treats in the holiday menu. You could make some on-plan fudge for this weekend, or maybe make the Rice Krispie treats for this weekend. It's going to be really, really fun and really easy to stay on plan. Enjoy some like cheese and meat trays or something like that. But all right, we love you guys. Have a great New Year if we don't see you before then. And if you are on YouTube, what can they do?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.